I love to find different unique ways of displaying and thinking about how art and accessories can be combined and put together. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Gordon. Welcome to my home. This is my living room space. This is where my family, when they come, that we all kind of gather together. This is a coffee table that I designed and had finished with a lacquered linen cloth. And then I've paired it with a couple of really great textured poofs that also add color and texture to the room. This was an older chair. I went and had it reupholstered in a mixture of different fabrics and leather, and I thought it just worked beautifully with all the other accessories, the color of the tile in the fireplace. This is a piece that I grew up with, and it just blends in beautifully with other pieces that I've collected over time. We put it together as an ensemble, it becomes a conversation piece, and it adds to the rest of the eclecticism. This is definitely one of my favorite areas of this room. This is the dining room, my favorite space in my home. I love the collection of items that I have here. Starting with this chandelier, all the arms on the light fixture adding a touch of gold, the seated glass. It just adds that little bit of glamorous element without being too over the top, and it mends in well with all of the more grounded items. Hand-carved wood table with the reclaimed wood tops, the feet of which look like reminiscent of old Japanese tables, but balanced and matched with very modern elements. These chairs, all on top of one of my favorite Moroccan rugs. Last but not least, the bar. This is made in Indonesia, hand-hammered brass on the exterior and the interior, of course, where all of the goodies lie. And then adding all of my unique accessories to personalize it. Fits right in with the rest of the aesthetic of my home. My office is the place where I come sit and think about how I want to approach different projects. I will start to pick and select fabrics. You can imagine what these might look like in a room or in an entire home. And then with the art, these are two pieces actually that are in my family that were passed down from my great uncle who lived in Mexico, and he had them painted and made. What I love most about my office is it's a space where I can come and be inspired. The bedroom is definitely the heart of my home. This is the place where I come to be able to relax. First thing I found was the actual bed. I love the texture and the pattern on the fabric that it was upholstered with, mixed in with the actual sheeting. Everything has to be cushy, comfy, supportive, and just luxurious. I love mixing and matching all the different finishes. I took a horse bridle and I made it into a detail for an accent pillow. And I juxtaposed that with a little bit more of an Asian influence fabric. The rest of the room, obviously still functional, but with my design sensibility. I found a couple of media cabinets. I love the texture and the pattern, the attention to detail. And then in terms of accessorizing it with the rest of the furnishings, this actually is a piece that I've had since college. I had it slip covered in one of my favorite color fabrics and added a really great accent pillow to make it comfy cozy. It works well with everything else in the room. Overall, I would say this bedroom is the perfect place to come have really great design-inspired dreams. Well, that wraps up the tour of my home. I'm so glad you were able to join me. Thanks for coming, and we'll see you at the next property.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.